back to another video. Move it, pigeon! Move! Dog, 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 dog. Well, that's a good doggy. Normally dogs like the chance to pounce. What's with the birds? There's a hell of a lot of birdies everywhere. Oh, you watch now, change. And there it is. I'm liking it. So I've got a little update for you guys. Just been in contact today, which is the 2nd. I mean, it might be a group ride, it might not. It might just be me going up to Llanelli. But maybe sometime in September I'll be arranging with Jareth a little ride, so that'll be interesting. But I'll give you a bit more information when I'm closer to the date. So obviously we still got to iron out some availability, and you know, and obviously I'm going to get some of my guys to come up with me as well, because I'm sure one or two of them are going to be interested. I know I am, certainly am. I'm surprised he even messaged. But yeah, he's really, really cool guy. So yeah, I look forward to that, but I'll give you a bit more information on it when the time comes. Oh yeah, that's not the only group ride I'm going for. I'll be going for another ride on Wednesday, 10 o'clock. I think we're going to do Black Mountain Pass, so that's going to be fun. So I look forward to that. I'm going to have to do up my chain, make sure my chain's good, give the bike a good spit polish, and get it all spick and span for the ride. Obviously, I top the tank off, petrol, not tank, Jesus Christ, and then go from there. Can go in there much slower. What's that, CBR? Your indicator light is going out soon, my sir. Don't pull out. Oh, that's such a tiny dog. Clearly a terrier of sorts. Fuck me, this road is bollock. Whoa, kitty, hello. Was not expecting that. Fire down there or what? Maybe as a farmer. There's not an actual way in down there, so... Well, actually there might be. I don't have a clue. You know what I need now? I still need that helmet cover. So yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit, sorry. That was alright. Sorry. Fuck me, that was my fault. I was not expecting him to turn. Jesus. Oh, the ABS again. I was not going to go right, yeah, because I used to live up that hill. I never normally come down that way. Normally come down by there. Touched cloth a little bit there, but yeah, that was my fault. I only just about seen her indication. I don't know whether she indicated last minute, but I'll go back and have a look on that one. But either way, you give way to your right, and I should have been more cautious and probably more aware rather than spit in my life. I'm too excited about the group ride, that's what it is. I'm going to go with that excuse. Pathetic excuse, but an excuse all the less. Anyways, yeah, don't make that fucking mistake. I haven't been it off yet, so yeah, touch wood. It won't happen. But that's it's not normally like me, honestly. Anyway, I'll leave it at that before I cause more trouble in this on my journey. So yeah, peace out my people. See you guys in the next one.